Alright, I hold him. Watch him.
Yeah man, hold him man.
Until the last time I catch one of them fish. You know, Chef I use hand line. So you catch one nice strawberry group over there. So Hartman adventures at them man. Current a push ya. Oh! Come on, man. Spitty to blow. Spitty. Oh, long giant. Spitty. But I'm gonna like hook them up in a cause up here bend them, bend up your and bite up your line. Right now current they them a feed. Alright. Done with the session for us today. Hook up one long jaw and him drop off. Uncle Bert catch a small jack and put him back. So we're gonna hit another spot now. So yeah, catch you guys when I reach out there. I lost a lure somewhere in this area over a week ago, and I'm still looking for it because it's one of my favorite lures. I took it off, put it down, and forgot to take it up. So maybe somebody got lucky and found it. It was relatively new. Well, it was brand new. I only used it one time. Yeah, we are at the second spot. Just tie a brand new leader. So let's see what's gonna happen over here. There are a couple diver in the water about the place. See a few diver accessories out there. So one of them floater right there, so see another one float out there, so like about like a couple of them they down there, so too.
But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. No. You're the battles won until kingdom come. To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
Alright, so park my car way around up on the road. I cast lures from where I park all the way to the pretty much as far as I could have go on the ledge before I can't go no further in terms of like there's nowhere unless I go walk through somebody's yard, which I'm not gonna do that. To get round to the other sections. So yeah, we'll leave a casting. Probably about 2 hours worth of casting me do. Don't get a single hookup. Didn't get a chase or anything like that because the water just still. There's no movement on the water. The water have no current. So walk back to my car, get some water for drink. Link up back with Uncle Bertie them. I don't know if them catch anything yet, but yeah, so I go. Just stick around because I go wait for the evening current to start casting again. Yeah, think I will call the session done for now. Absolutely nothing. Uncle Bert said see a couple jacks did a chasing lure earlier. when we did gone round and further around on the ledge. But you not get no hook up. Now come. So we are sure about either go get lunch or find a different spot or something. Jeff to have food, you know. Jeff to use online. So you catch a nice strawberry group over there, so a smaller strawberry group over there. One soap fish. Catch one soap fish and one jack. So Jeff to have lunch and dinner. My Uncle Bert now, well, Uncle Bert catch one small jack this morning. Me alone not off the mark. So our next small one will come out of the belly. Me alone not off the market. Watch Jeff ta. Boy, Jeff ta about 2 pounds you have this, you know?
Yeah, man, it feel like more than 2 pounds, you know.
And then clean up already?
Yeah.
Boy, you beat way up to them, boy.
I know we catch you all of them.
You and Bertie?
Bertie must catch 3 jack them.
3 jack. Boy, then you beat way up to them, man. You have good amount, you have lunch and dinner to do if we're hungry today. If we're hungry today, we're not dead if you're hungry, you know?
No, you're mad, man. You're mad.
Watch out, guys. Watch couple nice, watch a nice strawberry group of the way.
I can't take them out.
We can catch. Now if we take them out.
Yeah.
We have seasoning if we want. Yo, we have seasoning I carry.
Yeah, man.
Can make up for you and roast.
Sunday dinner, see, man.
They're nice, you know? They're nice, man.
In I wine it.
Tie up your line. Line hitch up this one, man. Like your line hitch up this one. Alright guys, I'm throwing the little minnow, tiny minnow bait. Let's see if we're going to get any hookups on it. Hey, bird. Yes. Hey, me say just as you come off a bird, you know. Fish on, guys. Hey, this is our history to rotted. Cause, guys, I want to tell you, cast out the lure a while ago. I want bird flying I lure. One bird flying I line. And just as the line drop off a bird, one fish pick you up. A nice fish too, you know. Let me see how. A good fish, man.
Huh?
On jack. On yellow jack. Bertie, one top one down there. I try eat him.
Eh?
Look on the size jack with top on it. I try eat.
I want Jack River.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jack River.
Look on the top one. Look on the top one. You see him?
Yeah, I see him, man.
I try eat the jack.
You see him, man. You don't chat no live plate there, no Brazil, you must know, you know.
You know, get me jack today, you know. If you want sitting feet, eat the lure. Look on the size top and we try. Look on the size jack we top and I try eat. Alright guys. Broke my ducks feed here. Although you know out of water yet. So I can't say I broke my ducks yet. I say guys, I wish I had the camera rolling. Cause cast out the lure. And one bird flying I line. Nice jack, you know, youth. One bird flying I line. And just as the bird drop in the water, the line come off a bird. And it just pick up the lure out of the water same time. Wow. Very nice jack. Jack Craval. Can't tell when last me catch one of them, man. Catch a horse here them all the time. Alright, see him there, guys. First one that for me for today. Can't tell when last me catch one Jack Craval. Me catch the horse here them all the time. At night time. But a long time I don't catch one Craval. I'll bleed him out. I'll see if I can cast again. Tap on them out here today, so hopefully I might hook up one. Alright, I hold him. Ah! Jaja!
Alright?
Ah!
You say smart. You say smart.
I'm on one of them today, you know.
You say smart. Okay.
If me jog never so loose in dead to them, I tell you.
You say smart.
I threw me jog loose a while ago, man.
Set the wine good, kind of.
Ben up the leader.
A little bit you want, my friend. Put on the one.
I small bait them, yeah.
Put on the one I'm in.
You say me did have a tighter jog a while ago. Sinky hook.
So me ask Steph there now, so me miss one today now. When me come so room, and in jamming, me I drop off of this.
Yeah. Smaller bait you want, man. Blow, you boy I can't even straighten.
Yeah man, I can't mash up in front, he mash you bad.
Crush him, man. I wouldn't mind catching me in the car. Yo, if I ever forget a little bit, I jump up, you know. And then he go to go get with me, no mind, you know. Cause, yo, I want a nice fish to hook up, you know.
We have one next yellow little pretty one, you know.
Girl, that's straight as that it will be. Not even want to tighten the jug too much in the car. You go bust the line and you're too tight. Fee size of him. Watch him, watch him. Watch him. You see him?
Huh?
Fee size of him. And go bossy line.
No, we give him to pick and choose.
Yeah. Watch him, watch him. Can you look at the lure a while ago?
Are you give me the lure a long time, you know?
Eh.
Yeah? Long time.
Pilchard color me I use it.
Hungry man.
Yeah, man. Oh, remember that lure there, you know?
I say, are you give me it? Long time. First me to use it.
Me I enjoy myself more yesterday than this morning.
I'll tell you, I buy smoke and find my friend.
Yeah.
What if you want the cock?
Blows, watch him.
Yeah man, hold him man.
Hold on. Ah!
Now come back, you know? Now come back.
And they're more tough, you know?
Now come back, my boy. You can't tell you.
He more tough.
Now come back, my friend. When you're done.
Hey, me enjoy that. More of them did them, man. More of them did them. I tell you, say more one of them.
Me say now come back, me say. Done this up. Can you see a serious business?
Yeah. Hey, you can't tell him what they know. You say, oh, no, go over there, so.
No more blow up, man. I've done this up. Done this up. You can't tell her that, my friend.
Eh?
Done everything done this up.
Mouth card, I swear they know. More of them there in them, man. Watch. Look how more you been up. Ja. Right, me I use same way you do. Hey, me say you look at the lure, one stone out there, you know. You jump on the rock. One rock there, man. Two of them, two rock, a matter of fact. Hey, me say I blow up on it, you know. And me just pause the lure and then go back for it. More of them did them, man. That fun, man. See if no sitting there in here. Snook. Alright, out there so beside the rock. The bird drop off it. And if they sitting there pick up the jack. Me don't know, it come like say it come like say jack did a fly underneath the bird. Eh? Cause me say as the lure drop off a bird, you know.
And the bird will see him, you know.
Yeah. The bird will see him and I follow him.
Yeah.
Me say as the line drop off a bird, so the jack pick up it. I see them down there, so you know.
Huh?
See something down there, so underneath the tree. Wouldn't surprise if I snook down there. I'm telling you, they gone whole heap of bait me see under the tree, you know. Now see them there. Look right there, so. More than one of them.
Oh, there?
Yeah, right there, so. Right where the lure drop. More than one of them did it a while ago. Two of them. And more one did it. Breeze blow away lure. Then the deeper in the column do, you know, then the deeper in the water. You notice?
Huh?
Only sometimes they come up a surface, then the deeper. I should take out my spook bait, you know, make it get enough action on the surface, you know. With the spook. The top water.
That the one then I come back to say.
The other one they gone home now, man. Hey, me saying real up, you know.
I took time real.
Yeah, real up, you know.
I mean they see you know, so me say yes, you sit down good in there, me they come out they give over here, you know.
Yeah.
And me say sit down good in there, me no cause me no see the
Lure, me no see lure hang out.
Yeah, me no see
Me think you ain't have it down in the mouth there.
But them are why there, man. Them bill for that so.
Yeah.
What I tell?
Bucktail, a good sitting that, you know.
What's it?
A good sitting.
Oh, man, so we try him.
Bucktail, a good sitting for them, you know. If you say if you have all one white one. Bro, supposed to realize this is a lure, you know. See white in here? White look good. That no cast good. Motor bonim man. Nga see doctor you know.
No boss here, me so contact you.
Surprised you know see no whole heap of bait in.
Is a fish. You're hard. He have to protect himself.
Yeah.
You're hard. As in feel it.
Yeah man. As in
you feel say yourself hook. Him in the ear.
So I tell you say other night man me hook up one. You see now when me catch a jack.
I never catch one and get in.
You see same place out which part you did hook up one and he get away. Straighten out your hook and get away.
Yeah.
Alright. Me hook up one out there man. Bertie, by the time if you tell Ashley say holy baby. And I'm if by the time I tell Ashley say holy baby. And me if you take up a rod. And I hear that it a long time man. In a year but in tail. In a year. Just a shake, just a shake. Remember one time I hook up one down a sitting there, down a success, you know? You remember? So me, about 3 times I say if fish go out and come back. Yeah. You never reach yet. Say fish go too much time to rot it. And come back. The last time I carry me when he reach in and he like a feeling, he feels end up on close to sun. Ah, boss just say, alright, we have enough fun. Boss say we have enough fun, brother.
Boss say have enough fun. Boss say have enough fun, you can't go on with your business. You go on with your business and me go on with mine.
Yeah, use on the top water, I'm going to throw it right again, you know. Next. You say all know it's still funny. How a lure just drop off a bird and the jack pick up it. Me no know. And the tarpon just come same time like he want eat the jack. I wouldn't be able to catch it tarpon, so I couldn't make him take my jack. Cause I have that size tarpon, then I no line fit up him. Unless I would have to just hope say he run go out this and decide if he come back. Then I would have catch him and I would have catch my jack. So I see one brother on YouTube catch one barra, you know. Boss catch a fish and the barra eating fish. Boss just use the boat hook and just grab him up too. So he get both in fish and he get the barra. What you mean? So now both side the boat, the barra come bite him and fish. Okay. Man just use him boat hook same time and just boom in his side, in the barra side. Catching fish and catch a barra too. There's snook there. I tell you.
Hello, sir.
They right on the stone, man. Eh? Eh? First I see tarpon?
Yeah, man. First I see them live.
Then the first time you used to see big one them down here.
Them man, how you need to see when them fall much. That's how you're afraid.
Them big, you know, man.
I'm afraid you're just for what it. And when they jump up and say, ah.
You know which part they end enough? Black River. Black River they end there. Whole heap of them. You usually go.
See the we also.
Where?
We also in there. See the blue. Look in front of man. Look the brethren. Look at me show man. See the we in front there so.
Eh?
Yeah man. We just see going out man. Big old something man pan top.
You tell us more one of them there, man. Watch. Go jack. A jack. A jack them.
What am I doing so?
I sit in there rush them, man. I sit in there rush them, you know. I go right up and out there rush them.
Come on, man. Jack out of one place, you know.
I jack them, you know. Look how much of them. Hey Bert, catch one of them little jack, they just go feed big rod, you know. Set him out and pin him on for the tarpon. Yeah. And enough different type of bait they eat, you know. Cause they eat all the mullet and the drum of them. They eat the drum of them. Yeah. If you have live mullet, we catch them, man.
Anything for the hungry, anything you want to have. What's it?
Where?
Put up in tail and come back.
Jeff, are you tease them up? As soon as we left, then come here and make nice. Alright. Guys, now feel tired you know. I cast all day. So clean up my fish. And if I feel any better when I'm done, I chose 2 more line again before I left. But time to clean up my fish and I want to come go home. Yeah. Day is basically done you know, or almost done. Now I get no more action on the lure them, so just see if I can go and clean up the fish, yeah. And then see what's gonna happen after. Can't tell you last time I catch one of them fish, yeah. Follow me. My other knife and the scraper and I carry, so just have to go and work with the little one, yeah. Bert, a long time I don't see Uncle Bert.
See it.
Bless up.
Bless up, my brother.
Yeah guys, so yeah, see fish there. Enough for the dinner for my family. So I'm still grateful, you know. Don't catch a huge amount today, but still have dinner to go home. Still enjoy myself with them little tarpon there sitting. But yeah, big up on yourself again. Thanks again for tuning in. Catch you guys in the next adventure. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.